Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian's the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation. Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian's the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation.
What is up, you guys? Guess as you guys know, gold is at all-time highs. All-time highs. So those buys yesterday were amazing. Just got in a little too early, and then I got a little emotional, so I was like, you know what? If I miss the buys, I miss the buys. It's fine. You learn from your losses. But anyway, so I'm actually not going to be trading today. Probably not for the rest of the week, just because gold is at all-time highs. So I'm gonna let it kind of calm down a bit, create some resistance, and to get some cleaner plays. Because this is kind of what happened last time gold reached all-time highs. You know, it was really choppy, and we had to wait for resistance to kind of show us some patterns so we can find out where we're going and this and that. So that's what I'm going to do again. It's just wait, because patience wins, right? So some people are trading right now. Go ahead and do what you want to do. But I am actually going to not trade. I'm going to take a step back for a little bit. Let gold calm down from it being crazy. Everything's crazy right now. Everything in the market is crazy. So what I was going to do is just kind of do some simulations. I have a MT5 simulator that I bought from Raja Banks. So I'm going to do some simulations, a little bit of back testing instead of trading. This is also learning trading as well, you know. we're gonna test out Raja Banks's strategy on his own simulator. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna come over here to gold. I'm gonna bring the simulator over. Inputs. Okay. Start day 2022. Let's say that we have a $25,000 account, and I guess we could do a 1 to 100 leverage because I feel like that's kind of common in some prop firms. So we'll do that, and we're going to be on the 30-minute time frame most of the time. All right. So we have our MT5 simulator. Do a little bit of back testing, yeah? Little, there's little lines here. I haven't figured out how to get rid of these damn lines yet. But, all right, so NT5 simulator is pretty cool. Brings you your sessions, shows you your session times. All right, so let's trade. We're in London session right now. So I've been trading London session a little bit more frequently lately. So let's back test some London session on gold. So you have your lots over here. You can input your lots. It's way better backtesting than TradingView because you can see literally how the candles are forming in like live, real time, you know, versus TradingView, it just closes. So this is actually really good. So we're gonna go ahead and come over. We're in Sydney session right now. Let's fast forward a little bit to London. So we are in London session. Okay, so this is our 30-minute time frame. I'm gonna zoom in here. And if anybody knows anything about Raja Banks pretty much just trades support and resistance with momentum. So this is the Raja Banks strategy. He would say, so we have this support, this resistance here. What is the next closest resistance? It'll be here. So probably be good to move this up a little bit higher here. And then from here, the closest resistance would be here. And that's about 10 pips away, not that much. So then we could also move this above here for a cleaner breakout. So now, if it breaks above this range, we have all of this clean range to the left-hand side on the 30-minute. And we are at London Open. He would also bring this down here to a support. I mean, we created support pretty much here. So what is the next closest support? Which is here. And this is about like 30 pips away. Just about. So that's nice. This is a nice little area. Because if it breaks below here, then we have a little bit of clean range to come down here. And if it breaks above here, we have clean range to come all the way up here. Okay? He doesn't even look at the higher time frames to necessarily find the direction. I mean, a little bit, but he really doesn't. So let's go ahead and get started. So we can see how much it wants to move. We're going to do live. Let's bring our sessions up here so we can just kind of keep track of that. All right. And I can pause it too and everything. So let's go ahead and just kind of, let's do a 0.25 for now. So let's see what happens. Let's see where it goes. All right. So we're on the 30-minute time frame. Okay. London Open. All right. So we're going to see. Speed up a little bit. It breaks below this line, right? So we're going to wait for this 30-minute candle to close. It's closing in, well, it's closing in a while. It's closing in some time. So we're going to wait for this 30-minute candle to close. This is his strategy, and this is what I'm going to be back testing, so I don't want to not do what he wouldn't do. I'll speed it up a bit. Okay. Alright, so it closed below here, but it already filled this range, right? So if it could come back up here, or at least here, I would get into shorts and put my stops above here. And the next range down below here would be just kind of here or here. I guess if we zoom out some more, if it breaks below here completely, we could come all the way down here. So let's see what happens. All right, so if it comes back up, what we could also do is put a sell stop below this wick, and then it could continue down. He would also do that as well. So let's do that. Let's place the sell stop right below here, right below the break of this low. And our stops will be wherever this 30-minute forms its high after it breaks this low. Okay, so let's see where that will be. I'm going to go ahead and start with a 0.25 block. So let's go. All right, so we got activated there. All right, so then stops would literally be right above here, because we necessarily wouldn't really want it to break its own high. Now that it didn't really completely break this low, I guess I could have put the sell stop a little bit lower for spread. But if we want to be cautious and have a really tight stop loss, we could put it right above this 30-minute high, or we can put it right above this one. That is about 32 pips, so let's see. Let's see. I'll just manually close because I think I was supposed to put in the stop loss right before, but if it goes up there, I'll just manually close it, and we'll see where it takes us. There we go. We're up about, down here we were up about 25 pips, so now we're gonna go, you know what we're gonna do? We are gonna go break even. I think I can do it here. 1777.32. I did that right. I don't think I did that right. But anyway, so pretty much I'm going to close, or I'm at break even. I just didn't do the settings correctly. My bad. But let's see where it can take us, though. Let's see if it just continues dropping. Still in London session here, right here. Alright, so we're struggling a bit there, so let's go ahead and just close, yeah. Probably would have closed all the way down here anyway. Probably would have, after it did that, I would have moved my stops to above this 30-minute high. Would have closed some as well, like after 25 pips, he usually closes, I think 80% and then moves to break even and just lets the rest ride. or he just closes completely after 25 pips. So yeah, let's go ahead and just close that. I'm curious to see where it'll go though. Let's see. All right, at that point. Gotta close this damn thing. Close. I can set pause for a simulation. Okay, pretty cool. Anyway, so cool. That was a nice win. That was a good first simulation, back testing. Wow, look at that. It never even came back to these stops here, above these highs. Let's see where, now it did. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Nice. All right, so to close this, but it's not like doing something wrong. Oh, I didn't do earlier last time. You want me to backtest USD CAD? I could totally backtest USD CAD for you. I mean, everything. It also has like the calendar here, like news, so we can see news. It's really cool if you guys want to check out this simulator. It's not expensive either. I'm trying to close this goddamn. I don't know what I did wrong, but fuck it. I did wrong, guys. Let me just redo this. All right. Yeah, that was a nice win for the first little simulation back testing. I was thinking about making a journal for my back testing. Um, this is all correct. Yes. Let's do this the correct way now. All right, we already did this one, so let's move forward a bit. Yada yada yada. Next day. All right, London Open. Here we are again on the 30-minute time frame. So Raja Banks would put his line here, measure what is the closest resistance to this level. It's here. It's about, like, I don't know, not even 10 pips. So let's move it to above here. Measure this one. Pretty close. Move it to above here. And now, from this one to this one, it's still about 10 pips. So probably best to move it to above here. Already gonna say probably here. We have some range, a little bit here. So we're gonna bring it here. That looks pretty good. So from here down to here, that's about 25 pips. That's a nice area. 25 pips. So let's go ahead and start the simulation. How much is it? The simulation is like, I think the one I got is $50, and then it's $10 a month for the premium data. But they have one where you can just buy it without having to pay any type of monthly fee, but it doesn't have the premium data like this one, so it's really not much. Like, but it helps. It helps a lot, like a lot. Way better than trading, way better. So, so yeah, when you get that shit, tell Raja Banks I sent you. It's amazing. But okay, so let's see how it plays out. Let's go. So we have clean range all the way above here. If we break out from here, we'll zoom out a little bit. And this was the trade from like yesterday. So this is still pretty much in this range, staying in this range. Yesterday, I mean, the previous simulation. Not literally yesterday. But anyway. So let's see how it plays out, guys. We're in London Open. We're in London Open. Okay, okay. Oh, oh, I sped that up a little bit too much. So, now that it started off with a top wick though, it already filled this range. So, what we could assume though is now, what I really wanted to do, since it filled this range, is close below here. Since that range was already filled. Okay, now this is not breaking out of this range, right? It's not breaking out of it. He would also take buys here to come all the way back up here. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. Got in a little late, but this is good. This is good. So this would be a 23, 22, 23 pip stop loss. Okay, 23 pips. And then TP could be like all the way up here. That's like 59 pips. Okay. There's a different way to do this. He has it on his YouTube channel as well. Like he has YouTube videos of him doing this as well. So let's go ahead and take a buy. Oh, let's do price. This is better. 1773.329. TP price, probably around like up here or, you know, 1781 point, let's do 1781.2 for spread. Okay. All right, so we're in this trade. All right, so let's go ahead and start it back up. Oh, oh, it took us out. Oh, oh, it took us out. It's going down. So now, let's see how this closes. Oh, damn. Oh, we could have taken a trade right here. Could have got in right here at the break of this. I mean, can I go back a little bit? I don't think I can go back, only forward. Well, we could have gotten in here. Because remember I said, if it breaks below here and closes, it came back to retest right here. 1770, and then we just continue down. So let's see, how many pips is that? I need to slow this down a little bit. This is already 53 pips. That's already 53 pips. Came back to retest the level, and then that would have been the entry. ICT concepts. I'm trading the Rajat Banks strategy. This is how Rajat Banks trades. If you were to go on his YouTube channel or even his Instagram, like he literally trades like this. And this is the best way to backtest it. I mean, this is his own simulator that he created. Well, I don't know if him and his team or whatever. Yeah, yeah, he trades pure price action, literally pure price action. So how do I get rid of these damn lines? They're so annoying. But yeah, so that would have been a win there. Um, could have got back in and then lost what, 23 pips, and then here would have gained 53 pips. So nice. That would have been nice. I should have just slowed down the simulation a little bit. Alright, so alright, let's speed it up to the next day. Alright, so it's Thursday. Thursday. Let's see if there's any news today. Any news today? Right now it's this time. The green is the time of the news. Let's see. What do we have for New York session? Okay, nothing too crazy today. Nothing too crazy. It's unemployment claims. Unemployment claims. Nothing too crazy. Okay. So we're gonna do the same thing as we literally just did. Let's come to London Open. All right, so we're at London Open. So from here to here, it's probably good here. Now let's measure from here to here. That's about 18 pips. So, and then from here to here, that's about, so you know what? Here to here, that's the next resistance. Yeah, it's not that much. Rajat Banks likes to take trades that are only at least 25 pips or more. So what we're gonna do is do that. Because when we break this range, we have enough range to come up here and fill this entire area. It's like 38 pips there that we can probably assume that it would go to. Oh shit. So, oh, we still got this line here. And for this one, oh, that's just a regular line. From here to here, and then to here, right? So that's probably going to be our setup for this session. Um, Gold. We're trading gold on this little MT5 simulator. Just a little backtest session because since gold is at all-time highs right now, I just want to let it cool down and, you know, settle down, show us some resistance, give us some patterns, some candlesticks to kind of play off of for some cleaner price action and just cleaner moves in general. The trading net made me a live stream because I'm gonna answer that question, then I'll answer this one. He made me a live stream because I won his challenge. I sent in a video of me trading and my strategy, and they liked it, so I won the challenge and got the live stream, and they gave me a 25K challenge account that I've been trading right now and have been kind of I was very close to passing, and then this all-time high bullshit happened again and really kind of fucked up my trading psychology a bit. But um, Raja Banks, one thing about Raja Banks, if you have ever been on his live during news, especially like CPI, he will say, "This is Raja Banks Casino." So yes, Raja Banks does gamble news. He knows he does. He's very open about it. He doesn't care. He's a fucking millionaire. He can do whatever the fuck he wants with his money. If he wants to gamble, he can gamble. I mean, he's earned it, you know. But he does trade for real as well. It's just on news days. I mean, there's a lot of volume, high volatility. There's a lot of people gamble on news days. A lot of people gamble, especially FOMC or NFP. But anyway, let's finish this one trading session. I'll probably do another one. Is there any pair that you guys want me to try his strategy on, or any indice, any commodity, anything? Just let me know, and I could do a couple if you want me to. But yeah, this is him and his team's um, simulator, MT5 simulator. Way better than TradingView for backtesting. But okay, so let's get back into it. So we have our resistance and we have our support. We break above the resistance, close above it, come back to retest it, or we'll put a buy stop above the break of the 30-minute high, or down here. So let's go. Let's see. Let's see. All right, so this 30-minute candle is about to close. Okay. Let's fast forward a little bit. Okay. We're still in this range. No trade range. No trade zone. No trade zone. All right. Oh, okay. So now that we broke above this high, I would like to put, well, we already broke above 30-minute high. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a buy. I'm going to put stops probably like right. This is pretty steep. But you know what? Let's just go lower on the lot size. So that's 42 pips. So let's risk about, hold on, my cat's meowing out the door. Let me let them in real quick. You know what? 0.25 is good. 0.25 is pretty good. We'll keep it there. We'll just keep it there. A bit of risk. 1765.4. 1765.4. TP, no TP. Or we could just put a TP up here. 1773. So let's say goodbye. All right, so we're in the buy. A little late again, but it's okay. See where it takes us. Okay. Now it's seeming to reject a bit, but we got our stops down there for a reason. Because now this candle could have just made a bottom wick for this previous 30-minute candle that had no bottom wick. And we're still in the trade. But now we're going to minimize our risk. And I'm going to move my stops to below this wick. Alright, so that's literally only about 17 pips that I'm risking now. So what I'm going to do now, again, is I'm going to buy again. There. I don't know what happened to the other TP. I think I put it at like 17,743. Whoops. But alright, let's see what happens. Now that I had minimized my risk, I added extra. And let's see if the TP hits. Alright, so we were very close to that take profit area. So what I'm going to do is we're up about, from the first, we were up about like 25 pips. So I'm going to set it to break even. And normally he would close out some of his trade, but I'm still learning how to close some partials on this thing. So let's see what happens. Alright, it's probably gonna hit. Didn't close it? I don't know why it didn't close it. Okay, whatever. But that would have been a nice one if I would have been able to close some partials like up here, but normally, real life, I would. Yeah, I'll check out EURJPY. Well, bro, my strategy is still being pretty much formed. I'm trying to find, I've found a lot of things that do work for me, but I keep switching around way too much. And I really want to stick to just one. So I'm trying to be disciplined and backtest a lot and to find out which strategy works best for me. I flipped my account using Raja Bank's strategy, so I really think I should just stick with that strategy. My channel, if you want to check it out, is this. I'm actually going to post videos of me doing MT5 simulators on my own YouTube account soon. So this is just the first one. I just got it not too long ago. But yeah, let's check out Euro, JP, Y, EJ. Second. I gotta download the historical data. Is there any others? Downloading the data for it really quickly. Well, while that downloads, let's just do one more of gold. Oh, I guess I can't while it downloads? I don't know. It won't let me. It's at like 10%. I don't want to sit here and wait for it. show you Let me show you guys the the downloading portion. See? So, just to show you guys like the historical data or whatever type it gives you. So yeah, you can come over here and download a lot of the data. Like you can literally download all of the data. I want to download GJ too and UJ. There it is. But yeah, so it's downloading. What's all this down here? We got crude oil here. We got DXY. We got the NASDAQ, S&P 500, Dow Jones. We even got Bitcoin. Bitcoin is on here. Wow. Very nice simulation, Raja. Applaud to him. No, I'm okay, bro, on the ICT. I'm okay, bro. I've already checked out ICT. ICT got too much going on, man. You know, it's funny because Raja Banks, there was this interview with Raja not too long ago, and he was trash talking the SMT traders, smart money traders, because you guys, he says smart money traders get so caught up in just like what they're caught up in that they kind of lose focus on a lot of things. Like so many people talk about fair value gaps, and if you think about it, there's so many fair value gaps. Like there's so many. And then people say, "Oh, well, you have to choose the right one." Bro, I don't want to sit here and have to figure out which fair value gap to choose. Raja Banks trades based off of pure price action, momentum, and volume. I want Raja to be my mentor. Like, I love that guy. I love his attitude. I love the way he talks. He doesn't take shit from anybody. Great guy. So this is taking a while to download for Euro JPY. I've found out where price have gone without using ICT, just literal based off of price action and candle closures. And I had a really big feeling like gold was going to all-time highs because here I'll show you based off of just pure price action and candles and patterns how I see things. This is how my mind sees things, okay? What is this entire pattern to show you right now? Fucking W. Created on the daily. A huge W. If you come over here, an hour, I remember this, like it's stuck in my head because I saw it happening, but I was too new to just trust my intuition. But this is literally rising wedge. This is the first time, not first time, but This is when gold was starting to reach its all-time highs and creating this huge pattern. It created a huge breakout on the 1 hour, a huge rising wedge on the falling wedge on the 1 hour, and then it took out all of these highs that were created. I had such a huge feeling. And then here, I remember this as well. This was creating an inverted head and shoulders. Came back to retest. Boom. I remember this so well. Patterns like this happen on higher time frames. It just means what? Like it's gonna do it's more powerful. So price is probably gonna go crazy. We had two confirmations literally right here. One here and then one here. It never came back down here to retest this area. It created support here. Boom. Took out all of this liquidity. If you want your ICT fanatics, your buy side liquidity, BSL, right here, right here, boom, went up. And that's exactly what we did yesterday. Buy side liquidity, if that's what you want to say, whatever. On this side over here, to the left, right here, all of this BSL, boom. That's that. Patterns, patterns are powerful. Patterns are powerful. They're not created for no reason. You know, like, look at all these patterns. They're everywhere. Anyway, so let's get back to, I'm gonna do maybe one or two more simulations. I'll do one for Euro JPY. I'll use Raja Bank Simulator, Raja Bank Strategy, and see how it works on this pair. And I'll do one more on gold, and then I'm gonna call it a night. Because gold's not really, it's not doing much, guys. Like, you don't want to trade in this. You want to wait. You want some patterns to show. It could do anything in this range. Absolutely anything. Let's just wait. I'll give it till next week. Anyway, so. Alright, so this is finishing up now. So let's get back to the simulator. To the simulator. Alright, so it's finished. Let's do one for Euro JPY. Let's do $25,000. I don't know like the math on the Euro JPY lot sizes or whatever, because I've never traded it, so I'm just gonna do whatever. But 30-minute time frame, end date. All right. All right, so we're on Euro JPY. All right, let's see how his strategy works on this this pair here. So I'm already gonna go ahead and just put this here because I know that's where he would put it. And below here. So Look left, we pretty much have some clean range. If we break above here to come all the way up here, okay, that's, I don't, I don't know. I don't know how to read this shit. So that's there. I don't know how to trade this. I just know that this seems a little more likely though. This seems a little more likely to happen. Alright, this seems a little more likely to happen. Let's go ahead and do that thing. Let's use a one lot. 'Cause I think a one lot is like $10 on Euro JPY maybe. Oh, it's on the bottom, bro. It's right here on the bottom, you see? Right here in this little banner that's going across the screen. Yeah, any strategy works. You're right. I mean, all he's trading is simple support and resistance, so that's on any pair. I don't really think it matters too much. Alright, let's go. Let's do it. I'm gonna slow it down a little bit. Close below there. We're gonna go into some shorts. What's going on? Oh, does it really move this slow? That's embarrassing, EJ. Why do you move so slow, bro? There we go. Okay, so we have a closure below here, alright? So let's go ahead and take our sell. Our stops will be above this high. Can't completely see the wick because of this stupid line, so I'm just gonna say it's like right here. 136.67. Oh. And TP, I'm gonna put TP like, where's the first area it created resistance? Like right here. I'll put TP right here. Is that a lot? Is that like 20 pips? Is that how am I reading that correctly? I think that's 20 pips. And we're risking 20. Okay, that's not a good RR, so first area. 35 pips. See where it goes. Let's see where it goes. Oh, did I sell? I didn't even sell. Okay, okay, now we're in. See where it goes. Oh, closed bullish at this support, I mean at this level, right? So it closed back in this area and it went bullish, okay? So what he would do is he'd probably start trimming some profit, some of his trade. Did I just close it completely? I think I closed it completely. Okay, well, I think his strategy works maybe more on like high volume pairs because But see, it closed above here though. And it started going up. So we didn't want to go down, but instead we wanted to go up. So could have got in here. It did not even go below 50% of the range. Yeah, that's what Rajah Banks uses. He only uses support and resistance. Support and resistance. But see, it worked. The strategy worked. It didn't want to go down. It wanted to go up. So he would have waited for it to close above here. Got in here. Retested this level. Got into to buys here. Probably put stops right below here. And then with the close, probably put stops below this low here. And then we probably would have closed already, to be honest. But if you want a runner, you can have a runner. So here we go. Okay, that was a good one. All right, I'll do a couple. I'll do one more. I'll do one more on EJ. Oh, we weren't even. I don't even think we were in London session. I fucked up there. Okay, so let's. I was just like, yeah, let's just put these lines here. That's why it didn't happen. Okay, so let's go to the next day. That makes more sense. Okay, London Open. Same strategy over and over again. We have our resistance here, and we have our support here. Break above here. We have some clean range to go up here. And if we break below here, we have clean range coming down as well. Well, not completely clean, but we'll see what happens. So let's see. London Open, waiting for a closure above this line or a closure below this line. Okay, let's fast forward. Oh, we got our closure. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put a sell stop. Right below here. Can't see the damn wick on the previous candle. 137.244. Let's do 25 pips, whatever. Okay, and put stops probably above here. Stops above wherever this high is going to be created on 30. So I'm going to say that I'm just going to put it here and then move it down. 137.499. So we got our sell stop in, okay? So let's go. Looks like it's going to close bullish here. So it's rejecting that. So good thing we put a sell stop in instead of manually executing. That prevents a lot of drawdown. So we're going to close those positions. Oh, look at that. We tried to break above here, and then look how that 30 closed. If anybody knows what this candle pattern is, this candle pattern is... Anybody? Anybody know what this candle pattern is? This candle pattern right here. No. This is a reversal candlestick pattern. Let me go back to it. This is a reversal candlestick pattern. This is a shooting star. So let's see what happens. Closure? Can we get a closure? About to close in 1 minute. Nope, still no closure. We're still not closing above. So we're pretty much respecting that resistance, yeah. So let's see, we're still in London session. Still in London session. It's creeping up. It's looking like it's creeping up. Oh, we got some volume coming in here. We got some volume. Oh. Oh, wow. Look at that. Just fast forward a little bit and tried, still not breaking above that resistance. Finally broke above, closed above. Okay, so we got our, all right, let's get it. Let's see what it can do. Let's see what we can do. We got stops below here. 37.411. Sure, 25 pips, whatever. All right, so let's take a buy. See how this plays out. It's still, yeah, that's still respecting that resistance pretty well. Is it even going to break out of here? So this is a false, this could be used also, like his strategy could also be used as a false breakout. Like it could be a breakout or a false breakout, you know, and then go in the opposite direction. That's what I've been noticing as I've been back testing his strategy a bit. But it seems his strategy doesn't really like EJ. So let's do one more of gold and then maybe one or two more of gold. And then I'll probably call it a night. This, blah, blah, blah. Okay. All Raja really trades is gold, and I think he trades as UJ, either GJ or GJ. I think it's GJ. Okay, change the date. You can also come up here and like change the day where you want to start at. So let's go to like November or something. No, let's go to February. 30-minute time frame. Okay. No, I don't do ICT concepts, my guy. Sorry. This is all I'm backtesting is the strategy that I want to use. I'll backtest the same strategy on different pairs, but I'm not I'm not backtesting FVGs and all that shit, bro. That's a lot. Oh, why I'm on EJ? Whoops. All right, now we're on gold. My bad. I was like, why? Okay. Let's bring up our sessions. Okay, so we are on a Wednesday. And it's February 15th, 2023. Last year. Let's see if there's any news today. GBP CPI. High. We have retail sales, core retail sales. Okay, we got some red folders for New York. But right now, we do have something at 7. Okay. So let's see. Let's get into it. Let's go over to London session. Damn. I guess pre-London was moving, huh? I think Raja really likes he says that he really likes trading pre-London more than anything. Um, the news. Go to a different day. So let's try pre-London. So same thing every single time, right? We break above here, clean range to the left-hand side. Break below. We come here. Now we measure. I'm gonna bring it down here. And then we measure. That's like 12 pips. Gonna bring it down here. Definitely just gonna bring it all the way down here. So we have a break below this area. Let's look left. And look left. No, okay, whatever. Also have to ask ourselves, we've been going down for, we have a lot of red candlesticks, right? So what is the probability that we're going to continue down? We had a lot of little candlesticks as well, exhausting candlesticks. So let's see what happens. So that's the getting close to London Open. Oh, whoops. Closure. Are we going to get that closure above? Seems very probable. Right, we got 9 minutes, 8 minutes, 7 minutes, 6 minutes, 5 minutes. And it's coming up. All right, the closure is coming up. In 30 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay. So we didn't really completely close above, but we are in London session. So this is a high volume trade as well. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is, since it closed like this, I'm going to put a buy stop above this candle high. Okay. Pretty big stop. 44 pips. So let's do this. 1839. So, and then TP. Man, you have all this clean range all the way up here. All the way up here. Yeah. We're risking 44 pips, so I want at least... Let's do 50 pips. See where it goes. Alright, so we got our buy stop in order. Why is it like that? Let's go. Let's play it out. Oh, look at that. Good thing that we didn't do that. So no buy stop work. But since we're closing below here, I'm starting to try to backtest like false breakouts with his strategy as well. So come all the way down to this range. So let's see. Wait, why did it do that? Look at that. It did do it. I messed up the TP settings right here, but it came down. False breakouts are some of the strongest setups as well. Oh, I thought you said ICT, not ICC. My bad. I love trades by Sai. He's good. I like that dude. Very humble guy. I'll do one more trade for golds. Okay. One more. Go into tomorrow's. Oh, what the f. Oh, wait a second. This is Friday. Didn't mean to do that. So we got Monday. We're on a Monday. You know what? Screw Mondays. I don't even like trading Mondays. So I'm gonna move to Tuesday. On a Tuesday. 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 Here. Here. So let's go. We just broke below here. I'm gonna go ahead and get into a sell. Really wish this line wasn't here, man. Really wish it wasn't here. How do I get rid of this thing? How do I... How do I get rid of that? How do I get rid of that, guys? Does anybody know how to get rid of these damn lines? Is this from the simulator? It might be from the simulator. Okay, whatever. So let's go into a sell. As soon as it comes up, I'm gonna get to a sell. Okay, we got one. Sell. Close below this resistance. I'm now in a sell. What? Why does it keep... I think I'm supposed to put 500. I think that's what I'm supposed to do. Well, look at that. It kept going. but then we made support here. So from here to here, that was 44 pips. That was a good trade. That was a good trade. I keep fucking up the damn settings. Do one more since I fucked that up. Last one. MT5 simulator, guys. MT5 simulator. It's very, very helpful. I love how you can see these candles form. Ooh, this is a choppy day. This is a choppy, choppy day. So we'd want to wait for a break above here. Since we already broke past this, though. So we broke past here. We're already feeling this range to the left-hand side, right here. So this trade is no longer a trade. It already played out. So we'll have to wait for a break above here or a break. Probably measure. It's about 10 pips. Okay. And then here. That's probably a good area. Come down here. It's about 17 pips. Let's see what happens. Doesn't want to break past there. Still in London. London session here. Damn, choppy day. Maybe there's news or something. Oh, there's news today. FOMC is today. Ooh. Oh, hold on. Let me show you guys my whole screen so you can see the news portion that I'm looking at. See here. This is the news portion. So it shows you the news calendar as you're trading as well. So yeah, this is the day that we're trading on today, and there's news today. So of course there's going to be some type of, consolidation for Asian and London session. So let's fast forward to New York. Yeah, you guys want to see what happens for New York session FOMC? We're still trying to break out of this range that we have formed for London session, but now we have created a new resistance right here for FOMC. So now this would be the Raja Bank's casino strategy. He would put buy stops above here and then sell stops below here for FOMC, or it's like CPI or something. But let's see how this pans out. Not FOMC, for NFP. So we did finally close below here. And if I were to have gone back, I would have taken a sell here. We'll see how this plays out. So it's up about 25 pips now, so let's see. Let's put it at break even and just let it rock. Or else I would have been closing some partials. But let's just say I closed 80% of my trade. Okay, let's just say that. And then I went break even. Let's see. Let's see if it'll hit that TP. Alright, I probably would have closed full here. So nice. Nice little win. That was like 40, 38 pips. Not bad. That was a nice win. Nice win. Alright, guys. Last one. I'm kind of having a little fun. Last one. I'm kind of having some fun backtesting. And, backtesting is nice because you kind of get into the habit of using the same strategy over and over and over and over and over again. It's like the same thing. Same thing. Okay, let's close this out. Let's do the next London session. That was New York session that I just took a trade in. So, not bad. Oh, you guys probably couldn't. I don't know if you guys were able to see this TP and shit until I shared my entire screen. But, alright, so I don't know why it all zoomed out like that. So we'll go here, and the next area of resistance is literally right here. So we'll just put that above that line. That area. And from here to here, we could say that we could come down here, just like 32 pips. Well, maybe. So we're gonna put one here. So let's see how it works out. We are on London session. Is there any news today? Prelim and New York session. We also have CPI. Oh, never mind. That's not CPI. That's PCE. So, no, no. So just prelim today. So let's see what London gives us. We're at London Open, waiting for a closure break above this resistance or support, or we could get a false breakout and then go the opposite direction. But that's not what Rajat does. Sometimes he does. Sometimes he'll like see the false break and then range trade. But let's see what happens. See how these candles are forming? TradingView doesn't do this. TradingView doesn't do this. Ooh. Alright, so we're about to get our closure in. Alright, so it's respecting this support level. Let's see what the next 30 can give us. It's respecting this support. Okay, so I'm gonna try a buy and put my stops here. Put my TP about right here. So I'm risking 38 pips to make 50 pips. So it's not bad. A little over a 1-to-1. See how it plays out. Still in London session. Now we're creating some type of little support and resistance in this area. So what we would want to see is a break above here. Not mean to do that. Break above here. I'm gonna get back in my buy because that was an accident. I could minimize my risk and put stops below here now and still have the same TP. Alright, so boom. I am currently up more than that. I'm up, see my profits right here? I'm up about 27 pips. So I probably would have closed or went break even right then and there. I'm gonna slow this down a little bit because it's not allowing me to do anything. But we closed above that line. Take another buy. Back to retest. Maybe we're going up. Now we're going down. Now we're getting into New York and London session. The crossover. Still in this trade. Looks like it's going to take me out though. Yeah, completely. That would have been a nice trade right there. A quick little scalp. Um, Wait, how did I get... Yeah, right here would have been a nice little trade. That was like 20 something pips, but damn! That was news for sure. News. This is news. That's a news candle. Alright, yeah. Also trying to pay attention to like what days this strategy works best on, you know? Okay, seriously, last one. Here, zoom out. That's good. Here to here. It's about not that much. So we could put it here. So we're London open. Oh shit. Fast forward. This closes just like that. I'm taking a buy. Here, that's only pip stop. Still London. Yeah, not holding. Yeah, I could have closed there when break even. That was nice. From here to here. 20 pips. That's nice. So his strategy works really well. You just have to react and your risks very well, and his strategy works. His strategy works. I'll try that. I didn't close that. Oops. Yeah. Oops. 25 pips. Let's go. Take a sell because I meant to take a sell when I was up there, but that was an accident. I want my TP here. About 25 pips. Well, 20 pips. Damn. Nice win. Very nice win. Close below this level here. This was a previous level of support. Close below, targeted in this range. What was the next level of support? Down here, that was about 25 pips. Nice win. It took out this, for you ICT traders, this sell side liquidity. Whatever. Alright, so that's it for me, guys. But yeah, so this is the MT5 simulator by Raja Banks. You can go to his YouTube channel or his Instagram, or just literally type in MT5 simulator on Google and it'll pop up. But yeah, it's very nice. You get to see the real candle movements, just seeing how they close, like on TradingView. So very nice for back testing. Very nice. I'm still learning a little bit on how to use it so I can start closing partials, because I've seen him do it. I just gotta figure it out. Yeah, very nice. It's cheap. It's not expensive, so get it while it's cheap. Who knows if they're ever going to raise the price, but I'll see you guys later. If you guys are trading, be careful. Yes, sir. Trying to stay out of this market right now, because like look at it, bro. It's scary. You gotta wait for it to create its resistance and do its thing, and then we will react, right? But yes, thank you, bro. Thank you. I appreciate that. Um, it's hard to not trade, but discipline is key, right? This is the time for us to practice and backtest while gold does its thing and kind of resets for us. I'll probably give it till next week that we'll start seeing some real cleaner price action. So I probably won't be on for the rest of the week, or I might get on tomorrow, Asian session, just to do some more back testing, maybe on the MT5 simulator. So if you guys would like to join me, I would definitely love to have you guys with me so we can all learn together. But anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you guys want to join, stay safe if you are trading. Maybe stay out of gold right now, trade something else. And I'll see you guys later. Have a great rest of your